Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. This is question number 1, WASSCE 2025 objective test question. That is February edition. Seeing this question does not mean that the second and the third questions will follow. This is actually the last episode in the tutorial for the questions. We began with section B. We continue from the bottom, 50, objective test question, 50. Now we are at number 1, meaning this is the last episode. If you are watching this for the first time, I will indulge you to check the playlist for WASSCE 2025 February edition on YouTube, and all the videos, over 40 videos, over 40, almost over 60 videos in there for you to preview how the questions were solved for this year. And this one is just simple real number system. We have to multiply 0.06 by 0.09 and leave our answer in the standard form. So 0.06 times 0.09. We can multiply this on a calculator and get an answer in decimal and convert. Or we convert this into already in the form of a standard form, meaning 1, 2. So 6.0 times 10 exponent minus 2, because movement to the right, times 1, 2. 9.0 10 minus 2. Now we can multiply the 6 and the 9 as a whole number to get 54 times 10 exponent minus 2 times 10 exponent minus 2. Remember the laws of indices. This becomes 54 10 exponent minus 2 plus minus 2. That will be minus 4. But we are leaving the answer in the standard form, meaning we need a number between 1 and 10. That will be the first one. So we need 5 points. The point is already here. Transfer here will become 5.4 times 10 exponent 1. We move to the left 1, hence the positive sign. Then times 10 exponent minus 4. Remember, base 10, base 10. So 1 plus minus 3, minus 4. That will be minus 3. So 5.4 times 10 exponent what? Minus 3. This becomes the final answer. I guess simple as it is. If you need more tutorial on this, check the playlist for real number system. There are series of these things done, the various aspects that we can be able to learn from that. Like the video, share with somebody, and leave a comment.